Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Can-Am SPYDER F3S SE6 with 12,728 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Viking bag saddlebags, saddlebag docking hardware, a driver backrest, passenger backrest, bar and helmet locks, and a windshield extension. The SPYDER offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of three wheels, and the SPYDERs are in a category of their own thanks to their unique design and engineering, offering excitement and efficiency. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,011 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.